Kia ora anō. This video is going to show you how to put titles on your tables. So you've created a table using the hide columns as we did in the previous one. We're now going to copy the area that we want. So we press Ctrl+C, that copies it. I'm just pretending this is your document that you're working in, which is the report. You go Ctrl+V. Keep it linked to the spreadsheet. Click on paste. The reason that you keep it linked, it means that any changes that you make in the spreadsheet will be automatically updated. Now, the next thing you need to do is to make sure that you use the proper conventions for putting captions. An easy way to do this, which will stay with any tables or pictures when you're completing or moving them, is you go to extensions, you go to add-ons, you go to get add-ons, and in the get add-ons section you type in Caption Maker. You follow Caption Maker through so that it gets installed. Once it's installed, all you do to use it is extensions, Caption Maker, start. What you want to do is you want to set the show options. You'd be looking at, in this respect, we're going to be looking at our tables. So this is table number 1, gender of respondents. This has got all the style settings. I've reset mine to bold. I've increased the font size to 12 and I've changed the color. And then I want to set caption on, and then I keep that ticked. I want to captionize, and there you go, it's in place there. And that is really simply how you create table 1, gender of respondents. All the information is there. And when you'd be using it, as you can see from table 1, boom, 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 boom. That is how you set the captions. You can also do that for all your photos. However, for your graphs, you can do that on the graph title itself.